Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to do the AC reset on your Casio Royale, so the AE-1200WH. As you can see, we have a small sticker right here that reads, after battery replacement, contact AC with minus using tweezers. So what you want to do is to look on the back of the watch and find a sign where we have AC right here. So you are going to need a metallic pair of tweezers. You can find one in the basic watchmaker toolkit. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. And then what you want to do is to insert one tip of the pair of tweezers inside this hole and then contact it with this metallic plate and hold it for 3 seconds. After you release it, the watch should reset to 12 o'clock. And that is a good indication that you have made the AC reset properly, so correctly. In case you want to watch the full guide with how to replace the watch battery, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And if you found value from this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next one.